Page 12, Skip to My Lou. At the top of the page, they're introducing you to a new note in the music. It's a B below middle C. You already know middle C is a one ledger line below the staff, and it's here on the keyboard. The B is the note right under that, and the space below it. It's this B. And look at the music here. You'll skip to my Lou in the second line. You're in this position. You've been in this position all along, in this C position, but now in that second line, you got to move your thumb one note down to B. Don't move the hand, leave the hand where it is. You're just moving the thumb down. And then when you're done with it, you bring the thumb back up. Just relax it. So that second line is... That's it. And that's the only B's you get, but that's an important move in piano. A lot of times in a position, the thumb has to cover two notes with a note. Because 5 notes aren't enough. We need 6. So. Now, in Skip to My Lou, I already said it's in C position. Starting out third finger, and you count it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. I tend to just do that 1 and 2 and thing when I need it. I don't do it all the time because I'm lazy. I don't want to have to do 1 and 2 and all the time. Ugh. So in the second measure, I might count it for the first couple beats, and that's it. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. That's how I do it. Everybody does it a little differently. You'll decide how you're going to do it eventually. For now, your teacher will probably decide how you're going to do it. That's okay too. Left hand. You're starting out here with a C and a G. It's actually a chord without the middle note. And that's okay. We don't have to use all the notes in a chord. It's all right. It's still a 1 chord. It's just 1 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Isn't this fun? Second line, F and a G. That's your 5/7 chord there. There's more to the chord than these 2 notes, but that's all right. Don't worry about it. We'll get to them later. Here. Then the last line. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. See here, and then lift up and come down. For the C chord, or 1 chord again. Put the hands together slowly. Remember, that is a quarter note in the left hand, so it's 1 beat only. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Get the idea? Last line. 1 and 2, 4. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you can get that without any hesitations, don't be hesitating anywhere. Add the articulation. Staccatos, nice light wrist staccato here. Nice short. See, those are not staccato. Don't play those short, just the staccato notes. Second line. And again, I'm on the key and I'm just bouncing off of it. And then the last line. Now lift up before you play that. It's a slur. 1, 2, 3, and that's a staccato. Then you add the dynamics. Well, it's moderately loud. That's the right hand. The left hand needs to be soft. We want to hear the melody. The melody is what it's about. Everything else is there to support the melody, so keep it out of the way. It's just, when I play that, and these at the same time, I want to hear that. Don't play them the same. So I would play the left hand soft. Just keep it soft. Then when you get down to the last line, second measure, now you go up a little louder to loud. That's the left hand, or the right hand. The left hand, keep it soft. We want to hear the right hand. Takes time and practice to get the control where you can play one hand louder than the other, but it's really, really, really super duper important that you learn to do that. So please keep working on it. Even though you may not be able to do it too well now, keep at it. It will come in time. Speed-wise, it's happy. You find this. And by the way, on this counting and the rhythm and all that junk, you're only doing that at the beginning when you're first learning it so you get the rhythm right. Once you have the rhythm, you don't count it anymore, you feel it. You feel this rhythm. You just feel the rhythm. You can feel those eighth notes. You don't have to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and blah, 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 blah. I like to play this with you slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics, just notes and rhythms. Make sure we have those correct. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's play it together. 1, 2, ready, go. 4 and 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3. Rest. There's a duet part at the bottom there. I'd like to play that, and you play what you just played. We're going to speed it up a little bit, and let's see what happens. Now keep in mind the duet part's totally different than yours, so just concentrate on what you're doing, but listen to the duet part so you can stay together. Also, I need you to go up an octave again because the duet part's using these notes. So you need to go up here. So just pretend middle C goes up an octave on the keyboard and play it all up here. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.